Hi friends, this is a Find the Pattern game for you. It has apple, banana, apple, banana, apple, banana. What do you think would come next? In this packet of things, there is a sheet that you can cut out or have an adult help you. So you're going to take one of these, and what would be the next thing? Apple, banana, apple, banana, apple, banana, apple. So we take an apple, and you can either place it on here or you can glue it on here. If you just place it on here, you can do this over and over and over. Then you go to orange, pear. So this is an A-B pattern, meaning there's only two things in the pattern. Down here you have an AAB pattern, so it's like orange, orange, they're the same. B meaning it's one. So enjoy doing that one. Here's another one. Enjoy doing that one. Again, here's the pieces for it. Then we have a matching game. We have the number 1. These look like the dice. And then we have numbers here. So you need to figure out which one goes together. So like number 1, we go to dot number 1 to apple number 1. Number 2 would go where? Up here, and then it would go down. Have a good time with this game. Bye, friends.